In this video, I want to point out a small mistake that I made in this form, and that is that the current code will throw an exception if I try to save a form without specifying a rate per hour. And to show you that this is the case, I can try to add a new job with a name of recording, for example, and if I leave the rate per hour blank, I can open the debugger, and when I try to save, we can see that we get this format exception error. And instead, if we add a rate per hour of 0, then I can save successfully. So the reason I'm getting this exception is that if I leave the rate per hour as an empty string, then this is not a valid number. And if I scroll to the bottom, I can find this int.parse method, and the default behavior of this method is to throw a format exception when this happens. Instead, here I can use a different method called int.tryParse, which works by returning a null value rather than throwing an exception if the input string is not a valid number. So I can fix my code by using int.tryParse, because this expression will now return 0 if int.tryParse returns null, and no exceptions will be thrown. Okay, so let's continue on the next video.